Thank you, love, for always putting me first. We met on June 1, 2021, and by June 6, sinagot na kita agad. Paano ba naman dinadaan mo ako sa pagkain? Alam kong may mga panahon na hindi ako madaling mahalin, pero hindi mo ako iniwan. Sorry kung madalas mainitin yung ulo ko, pero that's the part of the deal nung minahal mo ako. There are days I feel insecure about how I look, pero palagi mong pinaparamdam sa akin na maganda ako. Grabe yung patience mo, lalo na pag gutom ako, pagod, and my mood swings. You've loved me even on my darkest days. I faced so much pain, and life has been full of twists and turns. But you've been my anchor and my reason to keep going. I promise to do the same for you. Sabi ko nga palagi, paano na lang ako kung wala ka? One of the most special memories I hold is when you met Mama Litz. It was my first time introducing someone to her, and I'll never forget how you treated her with so much love. She was so happy and approve na approve ka sa kanya bago niya tayo iwan. I'm so grateful you were able to meet her. I learned to be strong and independent on my own. I built walls around me, never showed any tears, never allowed myself to be soft. Pero dumating ka. You made me feel safe enough to be vulnerable. With you, I can be my strongest and weakest self and still feel love. We've been through so much, pero tignan mo tayo ngayon. We made it here. I may not be perfect, but I will do my best to be the best wife for you. Isa yung complete family na pinapangarap ko noon, matutupad ko na kasama ka. Your love saved me in ways I can never fully explain. Thank you for never giving up on me and for choosing me every single time. Sorry. Nagsaad ko nga magtuon, nagyud ko Bisaya. Kailap ka, ayuti ka.
Una sa lahat, gusto ko mag-thank you kay Lord kasi hindi umulan ngayon. Gusto magpasalamat kay Lord dahil sa lahat ng tao sa mundo. Ikaw ang binigay niya sa akin. Hindi ko ma-imagine ang buhay ko ngayon kung hindi ikaw yung kaharap ko dito. Love, madalas natin biro, di ba? Like sabi mo kanina. Paano na lang ako kung wala ka? Pero kung tutusin nga, totoo pala siya. Paano nga ako kung wala ka? Wala sigurong magpapala sa akin na kumain. Wala rin mga asar sa akin. At wala rin magsasabi sa akin. Wala din ako masasabihan ng sorry master. Tuwing may tampuhan tayo, ikaw ang greatest blessing ko, ang best friend ko at ngayon asawa ko na. At habang buhay kong pinasasalamat kay Lord na hindi ko na kailangan magtanong ng paano na lang ako kung wala.